In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fluid Engine on Squarespace. As we get started, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see an overview of your dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you're going to click on your profile. A menu of your websites will appear, giving you the option to select the one you wish to work on. Simply click on it, and you'll be navigated to its editing interface. Now, to start crafting your page with Squarespace's Fluid Engine, you need to click on Edit. This will transition you into a mode where you can modify your web page. Next, what you want to do is add a block. Click on Add Block, and you'll have a variety of elements to choose from. For this tutorial, let's add an image block first. Click on Image, and then drag it to your desired location on your page. It's as simple as clicking and dragging, allowing for a level of customization that can align with your creative vision. Once you've positioned your image, click on the plus icon to add your file. Select the image from your computer and it'll be uploaded directly to your page. Next up, let's integrate some text. Again, you'll click Add Block, but this time select the text block. Drag and drop it to where you'd like. It's similar to how we moved the image block. Here, you can enter the text you want to display, giving you the creative freedom to feature any message. If you want to edit its position or appearance more precisely, you can shift the image blocks backward or forward as needed, ensuring everything fits just right. For the text block, there are more styling options at your disposal. You can choose a background color or align the text content within its container to complement your design. To refine the text further, click on the pencil icon. This opens up options for text alignment, enabling you to adjust it to your preference. Beyond positioning, there's also the highlight icon, which allows you to enhance your text through edits in color and thickness, adding that perfect final touch. Additionally, you can select animations for the text, tailoring elements like the animation style and duration to suit your theme. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, remember to click Save. This step is crucial as it locks in all the changes you've made. Feel free to explore other features and options within the Squarespace Fluid Engine, as there's lots more to discover. This concludes our tutorial on how to effectively use Fluid Engine within Squarespace, and I hope it provides you with the tools you need to elevate your web design.